First of all, I would like to say a great thanks to my respected teacher who has.
First of all, I like.
You're so smart. Yes, you can do biggest in your life. But why? Because when I see myself, I feel get motivation. I feel get motivation and I can do enhance in my life. I will not be a burden in the world. I will not be the part of rush. But why? Because I'm unique person in the world. I wanna be a teacher, a great teacher, my dear friend. But why? Because one and only I am working hard. First of all, one question here: who am I? What is my education? What is my education? What is my recognition? What is my value? What is my status? I know I have nothing, but I have many options. But why? Because one and only you in my heart, you in my dream. I love you, Alam. I love you. I wanna marry you, my dear friend. I wanna marry you, my dear friend. But why? Because one and only I can change my life. I have unique qualities. I wanna be a great teacher. I wanna be a great trainer. Thank you so much. इस तरह से आपको बोलना.